You open the door now, Shoki? Yes. There you go. Let's open the door. Ooh. Can you open the door?
No.
Wow, look at the snow.
Can I hit?
Okay.
It's about 2 feet, I guess.
Wow. Let's see, let me go. Maybe I can go out. Let's see how much I can do. Oh! Oh! Shoki, これすごい!
My leg fits in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna blow the... Wow.
There's my dog. He doesn't want to go out. Really.
You need a snow.
Oh my gosh, snow's coming into the house. Oh crap. My dog is going to go outside.
Here we go. Whoa.
Woohoo! Oh, never mind. Now I'm gonna go to my driveway. This is really tough. Oh my gosh. Ah man, my garage is covered. Hey, yeah. In one spot was no snow. Oh my god, guys. Whoa! Oh my god, fell. I have to get inside.
There you go. We got so much snow, Shoki. Wow.
I think I can reach that, maybe. Oh, come on. Oh! Snow got in my shoe.
Oh my gosh.
Ow, this burns for some reason.
Huh. Snow all over.